Hello, my name is Willi, and this video will be talking about how do I survive as a college student. In this video, I will tell you my daily life on Tuesday. Why Tuesday? Because it is a perfect day where a lot of things happened. So let's get started. At 6 a.m., I start my daily life with instant cereal as a video. It is good for me to get enough strength so I can be more stronger to do my activities before lunch, which is 12 p.m. After that, I'm taking a bath and prepare myself to go to the campus. Yes, as you can see in the video, I'm going to the campus using my Ferrari. Yeah, I love to call my motorcycle a Ferrari because it is red and the headlights remind me of the headlights from some of Ferrari cars. Anyways, I going to campus at 7:40 a.m. Which is you can see in the video, and ran out of fuel at that time, so I'm going to campus with feel that I'm gonna have to push my motorcycle to go to the gas station. Yeah, and as long as in the ride, I'm searching for a gas station, and I find it. Yeah, I find it, but in that gas station, everything is run out of gas. So unfortunately, I'm safe to arrive at the campus. I'm arrived at the campus at after that class. I have enough time to board. It's not that bored. My friends and I kill that time with watch some movies, and then I'm attending to another class at 1 p.m. and the next one is at 3 p.m. When the class is over, I go to the home. The good news, I found a gas station and back to my home without worrying about my fuel. And then I took a shower, eat some food, and I will do my homework. Before finishing the day, I always have a time to play some games and watch something on YouTube. And finally, the time has come. It is a time to sleep. I usually sleep around 10 p.m. or 11 p.m. so I can start my next day with my full energy. That's all I can share for now. I'm going to sleep. Bye.